Greetings everyone, my name is Sohail Mahboobi and I am the Program Director of Anesthesiology and Director of Cardiac Anesthesia at Leahy Hospital and Medical Center in Burlington, Massachusetts. It's my pleasure to serve as one of the directors for the Boston Structural Heart course. The course is scheduled for August this year. As we all know, with the increasing complexity of structural heart and surgical procedures, intraoperative diagnosis and decision-making play a pivotal role in achieving desirable outcomes. With advancement in technology, echocardiography skills, both two-dimensional and three-dimensional, have become a requirement for practitioners involved in these procedures. I am thrilled to introduce this first-of-its-kind course. It's designed to provide a comprehensive review of how to evaluate, guide, and assess structural heart procedures. The course will cover the basics of 3D image formation, optimization techniques, clinical significance, and how to problem solve during the procedure. Each session will focus on a specific topic, covering it in detail, starting from the basics to a comprehensive technical overview and discussions of the clinical cases at the end. In one of these sessions, I will be involved in covering the technical aspects of clinical implications of multiplanar reconstruction and its utilization in structural heart cases, such as edge-to-edge mitral and tricuspid valve repair. Other sessions will include mitral valve and tricuspid valve symposia, where the faculty will discuss the assessment of the valves, decision-making, and post-procedural evaluations. The course is virtual, and the sessions will be available to participants for some time afterwards. I'm confident that this course will be useful in preparing you to play a fundamental role in structural heart procedures. The course is designed to address the requirements of trainees as well as current practicing physicians. I hope you share my enthusiasm about this event, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.